Highway Code Rule 19. Zebra crossings. Give traffic plenty of time to see you and to stop before you start to cross. Don't rely on the traffic to see and stop for you. They may be otherwise occupied. Vehicles will need more time when the road is slippery, such as wet, snow or ice. Wait until traffic has stopped from both directions or the road is clear before crossing. Again, keep looking, make sure people are following the rules and have seen you. Remember that traffic does not have to stop until someone has moved onto the crossing, so drivers may be impatient and push their way across. Keep looking both ways and listening in case a driver or rider has not seen you and attempts to overtake a vehicle that has stopped. Now this dovetails in nicely later on in the Highway Code, where drivers are instructed not to overtake in the zigzag area of a zebra crossing.